In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Android camera settings to default and quickly fix common issues like crashes, freezing, or poor performance. If your camera isn't working properly, these simple methods can help you get it back to normal in just a few minutes. Method 1. Reset from camera app settings. Fastest way? Start by opening your camera app. Once it's open, look for the menu icon. This is usually shown as 3 lines or dots and tap on it. From there, go to the settings option, often represented by a gear icon in the top or corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the option called Reset Settings. Tap on it, then confirm by selecting Reset. This will instantly restore all your camera settings to default, removing any incorrect configurations that might be causing issues. It's the quickest and easiest way to fix minor camera problems. Method 2. Clear camera. App cache and data. Fix freezing or crashing. If resetting settings doesn't solve the issue, you can try clearing the app's cache and data. First, go to your phone's main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device. Find the camera app in the list and tap on it. Next, go to Storage. Here you'll see 2 options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start by tapping Clear Cache to remove temporary files. If the problem continues, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Keep in mind this will reset the app completely, including any custom settings. After completing these steps, restart your phone. Once it turns back on, open the camera app again. In most cases, your camera should now work smoothly without any issues. That's it for this video. Hope this helped you fix your camera issues quickly. If it worked for you, don't forget to leave a like and share your experience in the comments. Subscribe for more easy Android tips. See you in the next one.